If you want a free alternative for Microsoft Office, LibreOffice is the best. No activation, simple installation. When you open the application, this is the main interface. On the left side, you can quickly create Writer documents, Calc spreadsheets, Impress presentations, and other file types. Let's start with Writer. LibreOffice Writer is similar to Microsoft Word. As you can see, the interface looks very similar to Microsoft Word. At the top, you have the toolbar, font controls, text formatting options, alignment tools, and insert options. Let me quickly type something. Now make it bold and increase the font size. Then center align. I'll go to Insert, then Image, and select a picture. And just like that, the image appears inside the document. You can resize it, move it around, and format the page however you want. I'll go to File, then Export as PDF. And just like that, the PDF is ready. One important thing about Writer is that it can also open Microsoft Word files like docx documents. Now let's move to Calc. LibreOffice Calc is the LibreOffice alternative to Microsoft Excel. Immediately, you'll notice the spreadsheet layout looks very similar to Excel. Let me create a simple student score sheet. Now let's calculate the total using a formula. Calc automatically gives the total. Next, let's look at Impress. LibreOffice Impress works similarly to Microsoft PowerPoint. When it starts, you can choose a template or begin with a blank presentation. Overall, LibreOffice is an excellent free alternative to Microsoft Office. To download this free app, open your browser and go to their official website. Download and then install. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.